Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to put a text box over an image in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Now we insert a image, a page. Now I am create a blank page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard, then go to the blank page. Then select the three dot drop down menu, click the insert option, then select the image option. Now I am upload a image from our file. Now I am select this image and click open. Wait some moment to loading the images. Now we can see here a image. Now we want to put text box over this image. Go back again the insert menu, select the text box option. Now we can see here a text box. Click outside and select the text box, then move it. Now I am increase the size of the text box. You can write anything. Now I am write some text. You can select this text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size. Go to the format setting and increase the font size. Now I am select the text box and remove the background color. Select the none option. You can add the outline color. Now I am select red outline and increase the white to see better. Now I am make the line solid. Now we can see we put text box over an image easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.